Objective of this experiment is to study the LCR resonance and hence to calculate the self-inductance, bandwidth and quality factor using the series LCR circuit and resonating frequency in parallel circuit. Formula to find the self-inductance in series circuit is as shown, that is L is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi square Fr square C. Fr is the resonating frequency where C is the capacitance of the capacitor, one which is used in the circuit. To calculate the bandwidth, the formula is as shown, that is delta F is equal to F2 minus F1 or Fh minus F1. The quality factor is calculated using the formula Q is equal to Fr divided by F2 minus F1 or bandwidth. Apparatus required: function generator, digital ammeter, connecting wires, variable inductor, variable capacitor and variable resistor. Circuit connections are circuit connection and the nature of graph are as shown. Circuit connections are made as shown in the figure, that is from the function generator to the digital ammeter, from digital ammeter to an variable inductance box, one end of the variable inductance, the other end of the variable inductance is connected to one end of the capacitor. The other end of the capacitor is connected to a variable resistance. The other end of the resistance is connected to the function generator. Circuit is switched. And the value for the inductance, capacitance and resistance are applied using the variable inductance, capacitance and resistance box. For the inductance, we will be applying 10 millihenry. We are applying 10 millihenry. For the capacitance, we are applying 0.1 microfarad. We are applying 0.1 microfarad in the capacitance box. In the variable resistance box, we are applying 100 ohm. 100 ohm. Now everything is set. Now for every change in 1 kilohertz in frequency, the corresponding output current is tabulated. For every change in 1 kilohertz in frequency, output current is tabulated. And the tabulations are as shown. That is, for every change in 1 kilohertz, we have tabulated the output current in milliampere. A graph is plotted and resonating frequency is calculated. That is 5000 hertz, and it is substituted in the formula, and the inductance is calculated to be 10.129 millihenry. Bandwidth is 2000 hertz and the quality factor is 2.5. Similarly, the parallel circuit connection and nature of graph is as shown. Circuit connections are made as shown in the figure. From the function generator to the ammeter, from the ammeter to the resistance box, one end of the resistance box. The other end of the resistance box is connected to the one end of the inductance. The other end of the inductance is connected to the function generator. Capacitor is connected across resistance and inductance. That is, capacitance is connected parallel to the both resistance and inductance in combination. The procedure is repeated for every change in 1 kilohertz in frequency. Output current is tabulated. The tabulations are as shown. A graph is plotted and the resonating frequency is calculated. The outcome of this experiment is we have calculated the self-inductance of the inductance or inductor, that is 10.129 millihenry. Bandwidth is 2000 hertz and the quality factor is 2.5 for the series LCR circuit. For the parallel LCR circuit, we have calculated the resonating frequency.